Burjong. So like ever since Gumemea, there's always been something that I've always thought about, and it always kind of bothered me. I don't understand why we keep calling each other the N-word. Like, only black people should call black people black people. That not. Fuck that up. Oop. Tatsuya, I try not to cuss too much. It's just not nice. I get nervous really easily. Damn it! I can't talk worth shit. Ow! Why does it have to hurt when you get poked? I think it'd be pretty cool if we could turn off our pain sensors, cause like, like I don't understand why we use the N-word. Like I remember one time this guy was like talking to me and he's like, "Nigga, you ain't white. I mean, nigga, you ain't Hmong. You white." Okay, like I can understand why you might not think I look Hmong, cause I don't, obviously. So why are you calling me a nigga? I ain't black. Do I look like a Kiryu to you? I don't know, I just don't think it's correct that we're calling each other that, because it's not ethnically correct either. It's like someone asking me, what's your favorite color? I go, the favorite color, yeah, Kiryu. So, yeah, that's not really correct. Well, everything I say isn't correct anyways, so, like, it really matter. My mind is just kind of whatever right now, because might be because I'm hungry, because I always forget to eat. I remember there was this one time on YouTube, this guy kept messaging me because he wanted me to stop being Hmong somehow. I was like, I'm sorry, I'll check it out. Man, some people are just so damn impolite these days. Like, I remember in my first video, I mentioned how my mom beats me like a Hmong mom would. And one girl messaged me and she was all offended, like, what, Hmong moms beat us and stuff like that? Are you saying Hmong moms are abusive? Yeah. My mom whooped my ass, my grandma whooped my ass. My mom never beat me. I'm like, well, you're missing out. This video is just, I just don't feel this video at all. It's just not, my thoughts are not working. But anyways, while I'm talking about that, like, you ever notice how like American grandmas are kind of like, they live to like undo what the parents are trying to do. Like parents are trying to make their kids all well and disciplined and not spoiled, and the grandparents come in and is like, oh, it's okay if your little fat ass son is fat. John, you need more. He don't need no more food. But on the other hand, Asian grandparents, like, if you're not disciplined, like if the parents didn't do a good job, they'll step up and be like, I will show you how to discipline this kid, and then they'll beat you. Like, and then they get like a tree and hit me. Why am I talking about grandmas? Okay, so, and I'm this, I don't know, my brain feels so scattered right now. I don't know why. It could be because I'm lacking sleep. Ah, shit. If you actually made it through to the end of this video, then I give you props, because this video was pretty bad. Tatsuya, I'm just kind of airheaded, and I didn't even talk about anything I was supposed to. So yeah, but okay, bye bye. I cannot thank you enough. Yeah.